Today, we will share how to use tea tree oil for hair dandruff. Hello and welcome back to our channel. Tea tree oil possesses anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties, which help treat dandruff. It also fights Malassezia, the dandruff-causing fungus. Tea tree oil can be used topically on your skin and scalp to mitigate any fungal infection that leads to flaky skin and dandruff. Now, we will share how to use tea tree oil for hair dandruff. So make sure to pay close attention to every second of this video, as we are going to start. First of all, you will need 2 to 3 drops of tea tree oil, and 2 to 3 drops of sweet almond or jojoba oils. Now, what you have to do is mix the tea tree oil with sweet almond or jojoba oils. Then, soak a cotton pad with this oil blend and apply it to the scalp. For best results, you have to repeat this method 3 to 4 times a week. Note: tea tree oil can cause skin irritation in some people. Hence, do a patch test before using it. Discontinue if any allergic reaction occurs. In our upcoming videos, we will share how to free hair from dandruff using coconut oil. So stay tuned. Hope you did get some value out of our today's video. If you really did, hit subscribe button, press the bell icon in order to get regular updates from our channel.